Today I am going to show you how to make your Facebook account private. Before starting it, I will tell you what will happen if you private your account. By making your account private, only your friends can see your stories and posts. But if you want to hide it from your friends also, you have to click on Only Me option. So let's start. At first, you have to open the Facebook app. And here is the Facebook app, and this is my account. Now, go to the menu bar. You will find it at the top right corner of your screen. Click on it and then scroll down and you'll find Settings and Privacy option here. Click on it. Then click Settings option here. And then click Privacy Checkup. Here you can find a lot of options. Then click at the first option. Who can see what you share? Then click Continue. And at the bottom you can find Friends and Following tab. Who can see your friend list on your profile? Click on it. Click See More option and you will find a lot of options here also. Click on Friends option if you want to show your post to your friends. But if you don't want to show it them, then click Only Me option. And then go to Who can see the people, pages and list you follow. Click on it. And like the previous one, you just have to click on Friends or Only Me option. Then click Next. About your future post that you have shared, choose Friends or Only Me. If you don't want to show your post to your friends, then choose Only Me. The stories, who can watch, who can see your stories, click on it. If you want to hide your post and stories from your friends, then choose them. I don't want to hide my stories from them, so I'm not going to select them. Now click Next option and then Next. Now you are all set. Your account is a private account now. See how easy it is. Thanks for watching our video. See you next with another kind of